Hi dolls, welcome back to Lisanna Does Things. On this episode, I'm going to talk to you about Monat and all of the products that I use for my review. Well, I bought this product a couple months ago, around March I believe, and I got the shampoo and conditioner hair system along with a hairspray and the co-wash conditioner. I decided to try Monat because I was really struggling with my hair care journey. I just got to a point where I felt like my hair just wasn't really doing its thing and the products that I was already using weren't working. At one point I was really losing a lot of hair, so I would just run my hands through my hair and then a hair would just fall out. So I was at a point where like I might become bald, like who knows. So I wanted to try Monat because I have a couple of friends who've tried it and they had really good results, but they also sell it too, so I'm not sure if they really swear by the product or if, you know, they're just trying to push out some commission. I had a really good friend from college reach out and tell me about Monat, and I wasn't really interested in buying any hair products at that time. I was 100% down to support her because I know Monat was commission based. I saw so many of my other friends on Instagram and everywhere else on Facebook post about Monat and really push the products that they were selling. So I just wasn't really convinced that it was a good hair care system until she posted and shared her own results. She actually had a little bit of a bald spot right here where her baby hairs are. And when she started using this hair system, including the hairspray, it actually made her hair grow more. So I was really surprised. I'm like, okay, like you're showing me a before and an after picture, and you're showing me the results of other clients who are using it. I think I should give this a try. My hair is naturally curly. You just add water and it just curls up, but it's also like frizzy too. I was really concerned about hair breakage, so my hair would break right here where my baby's hairs are. If I were to put it in a tight ponytail, it breaks there, and right at the end I would get really bad split ends. I don't know if it was because my hair was dry or if it was missing some protein, but I really wanted to address the issues of hair loss and frizz. Those were my two main concerns. My friend who sold me the Monat actually is my market partner, I think that's what you call it. So they really walk you through the process of buying your products and choosing the ones that fit for you. So if you are able to get in touch with him or her, definitely reach out because they're there to help you get the products that you need. So when I reached out to her, she had me answer a list of 14 questions to see which products would be best for me. So I answered the questions and I was matched up with the Intense Repair System. So there's a whole line of products under that category, and I decided to get the shampoo, the conditioner, and the hairspray. When I decided to join the VIP program, you just pay like a one-time $20 fee, and you get to get like a freebie when you order a certain amount of dollars worth of products. So I was like, why not? Let's do that. I got the shampoo, and when I used it, they give you special instructions. So you're supposed to use like a dime size amount, like a little teeny tiny bit, and a little bit does really go a long way. You're supposed to lather it in your hands for about a minute until it's very white and lathery, and then you work it into your scalp and then down onto the rest of your hair. So you let that sit in your hair for about a minute or two, and then you rinse, and then you repeat again. If you don't get it lathered the first time around, that's okay. They say that that's supposed to happen, and then the second time you're supposed to get a lather. But if that doesn't happen, then the third time you should get a lather. I don't know what the science is behind of it, but whatever. The conditioner you just put on your hair, I ran out of the conditioner way faster than I did the shampoo because I have a ton of hair. So when you want to get it onto your scalp and then add some product for the rest of the hair, you want it to really be hydrated and drench all that product in there so it could soak it up. I really wish I could have a little bit more of the conditioner because it smelled so freaking good. It smelled like minty, and it kind of like tickled your scalp a little bit when you tried it. I did use the shampoo and the conditioner consistently. That was the only shampoo and conditioner I was using for a long time, for a couple months, between March and July, August, I should say. This is what the conditioner bottle looks like. It's empty, obviously, because I used it all up. But it brings about 6 ounces of conditioner, and for someone who has really long hair, I go through these bottles so quickly. This is the Intense Repair Treatment Spray. This is the one that you spray on your scalp in the morning and at night every day. I must have gotten like a really bad bottle the first time that I ordered it, because it wouldn't spray the liquid from the bottle. So I had to untwist it just to work in the liquid into my scalp. When I got my refill bottle, the second bottle did work the next time, so that was good. And this is the bottle that has the active ingredient to really revitalize your hair. The only downside about using the hairspray is that if you have naturally curly hair but your hair is straight, once you're spraying that spray onto your scalp, you're gonna curl the hairs at your root. I was using it consistently day and night for about 2 weeks, and then after the 2 weeks I kind of just lost hope because my hair was still falling out even after I was using the shampoo and the conditioner. So I started using it when I could. There's a chemical in there that is, I think it starts with a C, but I'll post it down below once I figure that out. And that's the active ingredient to make your hair grow. So I tried to avoid it on the days that it was straight and kind of use it closer to my wash day. That's the only thing. I think that for me, Monat wasn't really it. I remember using the shampoo for the first time, and it kind of felt like when you wash Barbie's hair, you know, like the doll, and it felt really plastic and fake, and that's the feeling I got with my hair. I know part of it was part of the detox process where it's like taking out all the waxes and paraben out of your hair follicles, but even after the 3-month period, I didn't really see any results, so I was a bit disappointed. So as a VIP, you do get like a free product in there or something once you spend a certain amount of dollars, and this is what I got for my first time. I got the Micellar Soothing Shampoo. I haven't tried this one yet, so I don't know what it's gonna do for my hair. I'm hoping to use it now because I want to straighten my hair again next weekend. So after the first 3 days of having my hair straight, my roots get really greasy, so I'm hoping that that helps with that and really does control the oil on my scalp. So I got the co-wash, and the co-wash is just when you don't want to use shampoo and you want to condition your hair as a 2-in-1. I tried this one time and my hair was so freaking frizzy, it was not even funny, so I just decided to not use it anymore. I decided to stop using Monat or Monet, whatever you call it, because after a couple months I just didn't see the results that I was hoping for. On the days that I decided to do a wash and go, my hair was still frizzy, and even on a day where I braided my hair after I came out of the shower and I didn't add any product, it would still frizz up. So I just wasn't happy with the results. It wasn't working for me the way that it was working for my friends, so I just decided to quit. The products are pretty pricey, so that's part of the reason that I also stopped using it. You get like a really, small size bottle for the amount of money that you're paying for it, so it's a monthly subscription that you're paying for, and they'll automatically send you products once you ran out. So I just didn't see the need for it, and I decided to cancel. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and join the doll collection where I post weekly videos and we get to stay in touch all the time. Go ahead and click on my next video just to keep the party going, and I'll see you there.